What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bring you back another video today. Now, we have a fan favorite back, Mel. She is back. Y'all been asking her for her to come back. She is back. This video is going to be all about a high editorial fashion type shoot we're going to do. We're going to do this for a couple of submissions for some magazines. And we're just going out here in this nice swimming pool area, this local pool. And we're just really going to kill it. I hope you enjoy it. Mel, do you have anything else you want to say? What's going on in this video?
As always, follow me on Instagram.
And of course, you know what popped on the screen. It's going to be in the description down below. So let's get right into this. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
Of a dream life, never been a runner, held back and held it under, waiting for the right time to bring it all into the light. Would you stay here by my side? If I felt like, if I felt like the world was ending, would we pretend that it's alright, it's alright, it's alright? And if my mind is up in flames, would you stay with me through the night, through the night, through the night? Would you stay, would you stay? But these are hard times. Let me skate around it, holding it in like a habit. Show up like the thunder, these things that I wonder. Would you be my lifeline? I'm yours if you be mine. Would you stay here by my side? If I felt like, if I felt like the world was ending, would you tell me it's alright, it's alright, it's alright? And if my mind is up in flames, would you stay with me through the night, through the night, through the night? Would you stay, would you stay? Would you stay through the night, through the night? Would you stay with me through the night, through the night, through the night? Won't you be my lifeline? I'm yours if you be mine. Won't you stay?
Now you made it to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed that work that Mel and I just done. Yes. She's a fan favorite. She has come back and helped us out with this shoot. I really hope you enjoyed this work we did as well. Of course, it was hot out here, sweaty. She didn't enjoy it. It doesn't look like she liked it at all. But we came out here, we kind of killed the shoot. You've seen the shot so far. Of course, you ain't gonna see all the photos because some of them just gotta be secret because we gotta get them published. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Secret. But of course, all my gear is going to be linked down below what I use. Of course, I use the Nikon Z7, of course, with the A7R III as well, with to get these mixtures with a Sigma 35 and the Sigma 105 for the Nikon and the 85mm for Sony, and then like a 45 Tamron on the Nikon. So I use a range of lenses today to get these shots that you have seen so far. So Mel, do you wish for another video? Do you wish to return? Because I keep asking for you.
Well, yeah.
Well, duh. But of course, all of our stuff, where you going to catch it where?
All of my
Okay.
stuff is going to be in
Work.
the description below.
Yeah, there we go. All the stuff's going to be in the description below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen right now as jail. I'm ready to go. You ready to go?
I'm ready
We're
to
ready to
go.
go. And we're out. Take 8. What's good, too? Now we got the truck. All right. What's good, YouTube? It's your boys